everyone, this is Miroslana, and today I will be unboxing my very first KidPik box. Let's see what's inside. Wow! So much clothes. Nice shoes, I like them, hot pink. I have this cute little purse. I can hang it on my backpack. Also, there are like these light pink shorts. What is this? Oh, it's a top. I like it. I think it will go good with my light pink shorts. What else is inside? Wow, this dress is so pretty. This dress will be really good for this summer, and I think it will match with the shoes too. I'm not sure about this. I don't really like this shirt, but we'll see. And pants. Pink pants. There's too much pink here. Well, we'll see about these pants. And now, it's time to try it on. Fun. I liked outfit number 1 and 2, but I didn't like number 3. Which outfit did you like best? Comment down below. If you want more videos like this, and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that notification bell to not miss any more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!